Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to remove email on Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app, click on menu option, okay, click on menu option and scroll down, tap on settings, then click on see more in account center. Okay, then scroll down, tap on personal details. Okay, click on contact info. Okay, then tap on add a new contact and click on add email. Okay, then type your email. Okay, then click this email and delete your email. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.